Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to use calculator on iPhone to convert currency. First, open the calculator app. Then from there, you're going to see the calculator icon in the bottom left hand corner. You're going to tap right there and you want to toggle on convert. So once you have toggled on convert, you can see at the top right here, you can select the currency that you would like to enter to see the conversion rate. So let's say for example, I were to select a random currency. So let's say for example, this. Then you can see how much USD it would work out to, or you could change the USD to another currency as you can see right there. And you can check it out. So for example, let's say I wanted to check out how much 1,000 Jamaican dollars would be, and you can also select the bottom currency rate and you could change that as you can see right there. Once you're finished, if you don't see this option by the way on your calculator, all you'll need to do is go into settings on your iPhone. Then from there, I want you to scroll down and you're going to select general. Then you're going to tap right where you see software update and you're going to update your iPhone to iOS 18. Once it has been updated, you'll get the converter option in your calculator. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.